fragile time, through stormy encounter with me. Footsteps steady, creating a song, walking together where we belong, sharing story, laughter and tears, with each passing mile, conquering fears. Watching a beautiful sunset, sharing a warm hug with loved ones. Achieving a personal milestone in nature, feeling a sense of peace, being kind to others, seeing the positive impact, enjoying favorite activity, laughing with friends and creating happy memories. Seeing contentment and fulfillment in the present moment. Are taking their respective seats. They were the well-renowned, most prominent, overpowering, irresistible band group.
हर शाम आती है एक याद लेकर,
हर शाम आती है एक याद लेकर,
और हर शाम जाती है एक याद लेकर,
और हर शाम जाती है एक याद लेकर,
और आज की शाम आई है बहुत ही खास,
और आज की शाम आई है बहुत ही खास,
जो लेकर आई है हम सबको एक साथ,
जो लेकर आई है हम सबको एक साथ.
Well, dear parents, myself Abhishek Pathak along with Yuvraj Singh, your host for this amazing evening with the grand event Nexus 2425.
जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है,
जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है,
जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है,
जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है.
अभी तो थामी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने,
अभी तो थामी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने,
अभी तो थामना पूरा आसमान बाकी है, अभी तो थामना पूरा आसमान बाकी है. A warm welcome to the evening you all have been waiting for. We welcome you all to this marvelous event. It's an honor to be hosting this event for all of you today.
We welcome all the amazing audience to this super amazing event
Nexus 2425.
Our dear parents are waiting for the program to be started. It's so wonderful to see you all on the glittering evening of Nexus 2425. I guarantee your next few hours will be delightful and memorable.
Dear parents, you all are very precious, and to honor you, to show our hearty gratitude, we are reciting few beautiful lines. Please listen to us very carefully. Dear parents, all I am is because of you.
You always show me the right direction,
But I never gave it any attention.
It doesn't matter what you gave me.
The important part is what you made me. Whatever I am is because of you. I live far from you long.
It doesn't mean I don't miss you. I don't talk with you much.
It doesn't mean I don't love you. Whatever I am is because of you.
You are my defense to all my attacks.
You are my corrections to all my mistakes.
You are my corrections to all my mistakes. I will keep you happy whatever it takes.
I know you have done lot of sacrifices for me. I will make you proud. I promise, just see. I will make you proud. I promise, just see. The time has finally arrived. The time has finally arrived for the most anticipated moment of Nexus 2425.
The wait is over and we are thrilled to bring you a highlight that promises to captivate our hearts and minds.
Our students are applying tilak on guest's forehead, signifying respect and acknowledging the guest's presence with reverence and goodwill. A beautiful tradition that embodies hospitality and honor in many cultures.
We can notice our school management is greeting the guest welcoming the guest with a warm smile and inviting them with great respect. The time has finally arrived for the most anticipated moment of Nexus 24-25.
The well-renowned, prominent, overpowering and irresistible band group of Deepthi is honoring the
Hand in hand, side by side, together we walk, side by side, through stormy weathers and sunny days. Our bond grows stronger in countless ways.
Footsteps steady, creating a song, walking together where we belong, sharing stories, laughter, and tears, with each passing mile conquering fears.
Watching a beautiful sunset, sharing a warm hug with loved one.
Achieving a personal milestone in nature, feeling a sense of peace.
Being kind to others, seeing the positive impact.
Enjoying favorite activity, laughing with friends, and creating happy memories. Finding contentment and fulfillment in the present moment.
Now, our respected dignitaries are taking their respective seats. Dear parents, I am glad to inform you all the guests of the function Nexus 24-25. Chief guest of the day, Right Reverend Dr. Joseph Kulam-Parambil, CMI, Bishop of Jagdalpur Catholic Diocese. Guest of honor, Reverend Father Santosh Kotiril, CMI. President of the function, Reverend Mother Vinita, SABS. Reverend Father Sinod De Sengiles, Parish Priest. Reverend Father Manish, the Educational Secretary, Jagdalpur Diocese. Respected Sister Mariette, SABS, the Educational Counselor.
पत्थर की बंदिश से भी क्या बहती नदियां रुकती है?
पत्थर की बंदिश से भी क्या बहती नदियां रुकती है? हालातों की धमकी से भी क्या अपनी नजरें झुकती है?
किस्मत से हर पन्नों पर किस्मत लिखवाना पड़ता है।
किस्मत से हर पन्नों पर किस्मत लिखवाना पड़ता है। जिसमें मशाल सा जज्बा हो, जिसमें मशाल सा जज्बा हो, वो दीप जलाना पड़ता है, वो दीप जलाना पड़ता है।
चलना है हमें अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर,
चलना है हमें अज्ञान से ज्ञान की ओर,
पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर,
पदार्थ से सूक्ष्म की ओर,
प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर।
दीप प्रज्वलन हमारी संस्कृति का सुंदर हिस्सा है।
Every auspicious occasion commences with the lighting of the lamp. May I now request all the dignitaries, chief guest of the function, Right Reverend Dr. Joseph Kollamparambil, CMI,
Guest of honor, Reverend Father Santosh Kottiril, CMI,
President of the function, Reverend Mother Vinita, SABS,
Dipti Convent Higher Secondary School, English Medium Principal, Sister Tissy Maria,
Dipti Convent High Secondary School, Hindi Medium Principal, Sister Anne,
Staff Secretary of English Medium Principal, along with Head Girl Shreya Rai,
Staff Secretary of Hindi Medium, along with Head Boy Pushpendra Baghel, to join for lighting the lamp.
Light always keeps us away from darkness.
What no eye has seen, what no ear has heard, what no eye has seen, what no ear has heard, and what no human mind has conceived, the things God has prepared for those who love Him.
The rhythm guides us, our hearts aligned. In this prayerful dance, our souls entwined. With each gentle leap, we connect above.
A dance of thanksgiving, a dance of love. A dance of thanksgiving, a dance of love.
உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றே உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றே உனில் வாழும் நினைவாகின்றே உனை பிரிய உறவாகின்றே உனை சேரும் உயிராகின்றே உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றே இமையாக என்னை நீ காத்தாய் இருள் போகும் வாழ்வு மகிழ்வாகும் இமையாக என்னை நீ காத்தாய் இருள் போகும் வாழ்வு மகிழ்வாகும் இரவாதது உன் இரக்கம்தான் நிஜமானது உன் பேரன்புதான் ஏசையா ஏசையா கருவிலும் காத்திடும் உன் அன்பு கரம் கண்டு களிப்புடன் வாழ்ந்திட கடவுளே சரணம் உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றேன் உனில் வாழும் நினைவாகின்றேன் உனை பிரிய உறவாகின்றேன் உனை சேரும் உயிராகின்றேன் உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றேன் கடல் தேடும் நதி நானாக நிலம் தேடும் மழை நீயாக கடல் தேடும் நதி நானாக நிலம் தேடும் மழை நீயாக உடன் வாழ்வது உன் அன்புதான் உயிர் ஈவதும் உன் பண்புதான் ஏசையா ஏசையா கடலினில் நதியும் நிலத்தினில் மழையும் போல் தேடலின் நிறைவினை நானும் கண்டிட உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றேன் உனில் வாழும் நினைவாகின்றேன் உனை பிரிய உறவாகின்றேன் உனை சேரும் உயிராகின்றேன் உன் பாதம் சரணாகின்றேன் ஏசையா ஏசையா
good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows. So, with the blessed assurance, let's move to the upcoming program. Shakespeare once quoted, "Small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast." And to do the same, I invite Abhigya and Athav on the stage.
Helen Keller once said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." Cheerful greetings to one and all. Your presence brightens our event and fills our heart with gratitude.
People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. It's a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome you, the chief guest of the day, Your Excellency, Right Reverend Dr. Joseph Kolamparampil, CMI, Bishop of Jagdalpur Catholic Diocese. Your leadership and guidance have been instrumental in shaping our event, and we are grateful for your unwavering support.
Today's president of the function, Reverend Mother Vinita SAPS, the manager. We all are honored for your support and encouragement. Hope this gathering will create a symbol of joy and unity.
The guest of honor, Reverend Father Santosh, Provincial, Nirmal Province, your involvement adds a great value to our event, Nexus 24-25. Believe us, your participation enriches our schools, spirit and community. We are thrilled to have Reverend Father Shinod, the Shingelis, and we hope your presence will be a guiding light, inspiring us all to strive for excellence. I extend my heartfelt gratitude and utmost respect to our Reverend Father Manish, the Educational Secretary, Jagdalpur Diocese, and respected Sister Marriott, SABS, the Educational Counselor.
It is worthy to remember the ceaseless friendly support of Mrs. Shushma Kashyap ji, the ward member of Chhatrapati Shivaji ward, and Mr. Balram Yadav ji, the ward member of Guru Govind Singh ward. We are overwhelmed with the prominent presence of the principals of the various schools in our midst. They all are the leaders who create more leaders. Their presence exemplifies resilience and innovation, reminding us that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Parents' love for their children is unconditional and selfless. We will never be able to pay back for what our parents have done for us. You all are the most valued guest, whose presence fills a divine strength and energy in all of us.
Principal is the nerve of an educational institution. Hearty welcome to the English medium principal, respected Sister Tissy Maria, and English medium vice principal, respected Sister Joyce, and Hindi medium principal, respected Sister Anns, because they viewed us as their priority and made efforts to improve us in all the ways.
It is the teacher that makes the difference. The same thing is happening today. Nexus 24-25 is a result of our teachers' day in and day out efforts. Above all, our students' cooperation, support, obedience, and discipline in all the other ways is the perfect reason to witness the Nexus 24-25.
We owe an amiable welcome to the media people and the police department. We all are glad to welcome you in this grand event, Nexus 24-25.
Days are not lost when memories are created. With assurance, let's watch the unique and unforgettable event,
Nexus 24-25.
Thank you.
Adriel, may I ask your riddle? Sure, Sharavya. I am expert in solving riddle. You have to guess what they are like roots of the tree. Okay, any other clue? They are very important part of our life. Yes, start getting, but give me your clues because I want to give a correct answer. They are the one who share stories and love is unconditional. Yes, it's wonderful to see it as a bond between and grandparents and grandchildren. It's the time for our wise, caring and supportive grandparents.
हमारी सारी गलतियों को वो माफ करते हैं, बहुत गुस्से में होकर भी हमें प्यार देते हैं, उनके होठों पर हमेशा दुआएं होती हैं। ऐसा करने वाले सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं।
अरे देखो देखो क्या क्या करतब दिखलाती है, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी बन जाती है। हाँ, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं ना जानो बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, मैं ना जानो बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा, कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। छड़ी छड़ी से जुड़े अगर बन जाए सपनों का घर, हाँ छड़ी छड़ी से जुड़े अगर बन जाए सपनों का घर, छड़ी अकल से काम ले, गिरे कोई तो थाम ले, छड़ी अकल से काम ले, गिरे कोई तो थाम ले, बच्ची नहीं हूँ बड़ी हूँ मैं, हाँ बड़ी हूँ मैं, हे दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं।
అగలు బందన పూజి ఇగల బందన పూజి నా బావే పందోటం ఎన్న నెలి పోడోట అగలు బందన పూజి ఇగల బందన పూజి నా బావే పందోటం ఎన్న నెలి పోడోట కుళ్ళుతో నెలి పోడో మాని నగరకే ముట్ట కొట్టి నెలి పోడో మాని నగరకే కుళ్ళుతో నెలి పోడో మాని నగరకే ముట్ట కొట్టి నెలి పోడో మాని నగరకే ఓలులేర మాని నంగరే బిర్జ్ బెట డొండుగయ మాని నంగరే మాని నంగరే తంగాటి కుమార నంగరే కుమార నంగరే తంగాటి మాని నంగరే మాని నంగరే తంగాటి కుమార నంగరే కుమార నంగరే తంగాటి మాని నంగరే ఏ మాని నంగరే తంగాటి కుమార నంగరే కుమార నంగరే తంగాటి మాని నంగరే Happy Grandparents Day, yeah we sing happy Grandparents Day, oh have a happy Grandparents Day, 'cause it's a happy Grandparents Day.
The simplest toy, one which even the youngest child can operate, is called a grandparent. Grandparents are a perfect blend of love, laughter, and happy memories.
With a beautiful information we get from the history, always we are in great perplexion. First came the seed or the plant, first came the cup or the lion, first came the egg or the hen. Let's watch what is your friend's opinion about this topic.
आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा। आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा। इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा, इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा। अंडे में अंडा, फंडे में फंडा, अंडे का अंडा, फंडे का फंडा। आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा। इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा, हाँ इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा। अंडे में अंडा, फंडे में फंडा, अंडे का अंडा, फंडे का फंडा। आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा।
भूख लगी, भूख लगी, भूख लगी, भूख लगी, जोरों की भूख लगी। मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी।
शौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा, स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा। चाहिए नान या रोटी, चाहिए नान या बोटी, मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए। थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी, ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए। ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू।
The catchy lyrics sums up the story of an egg.
There's a deep lesson also. If an egg is broken from the outside force, life ends. If broken from the inside force, life begins. Great things always begin from the inside.
आसमान में कितने तारे, आओ देखे गिनकर सारे। आसमान में कितने तारे, आओ देखे गिनकर सारे। आसमान को ये चमकाते, झिलमिल करके रंग जमाते।
देखिए छोटे से तारों की टोली आ रही है और वे अपने हाथों को ऊपर नीचे करके तारों की तरह चमक रहे हैं और ताल से ताल मिलाकर नृत्य कर रहे हैं।
इनकी मुस्कुराहटें भी तारों की तरह चमक रही है।
वैसे ही हमारे दीप्ति कॉन्वेंट हिंदी मीडियम के लिटिल स्टार्स धूम मचाने आ रहे हैं, तो जोरदार तालियों से उत्साह बढ़ाइए हमारे लिटिल चैम्प्स का।
Brother, yo, honey singer.
सुनो everybody, मेरे पास आओ, I'm so lazy, मुझे नचाओ, beat बजाओ, शोर मचाओ, twinkle twinkle, मेरे साथ गाओ।
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Kottara tappu kottu, let's dance to motu. Hey, kottara tappu kottu, let's dance to motu.
ఎంటమ్మ సురచేడుతో మమా షహనాయి బాజే హై పే 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 మమా
ఎవరు ఫోన్ చేశారు? ఆపు ఆపు, ఎయిర్ప్లేన్ మోడ్.
ఎంటమ్మ సురచేడుతో మమా షహనాయి బాజే హై పే 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 आओ धमक 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 तेरे म्यूजिक पे गिर के झूमेंगे गाएंगे हम सारे मिलके आज बजे जश्न वाली जोर 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 पूंगी ఈ రోజు వేడుకగా ఉంటుంది ఉంటుంది నచ్చేగే अपनी उठा करके लूंगी ఈ రోజు వేడుకగా ఉంటుంది ఉంటుంది నచ్చేగే अपनी उठा करके लूंगी ఈ రోజు వేడుకగా ఉంటుంది ఉంటుంది నచ్చేగే अपनी उठा करके लूंगी
అది వేరే అయిపోయింది.
Malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita de. Goli goli, pakatla sirku rangoli, jali jali, pakatla moya gurratoli.
గాలి గాలి మొత్తల అవనుందా గాలి జాలి జాలి హడితోళి
मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी फैन don't miss that chance all the Rajini fans don't miss that chance lungi dance 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 lungi dance.
Today we are celebrating the jovial spirits and blossoming talents of our young ones that has filled us with immense joy and hope. Every child comes with the message that God is not yet discouraged of man.
Dance for me is not just some pastime, it's a lifestyle and a passion.
Oh, dance for me is a form of expression and way of speaking.
Not only that, dance is not being the best. Dance is about being your best.
Dance made me realize what love is. It is something that you cannot live without. Let's together watch this amazing, dedicated, emotional, super important and meaningful performance.
ਲਾਵਾਂ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਣ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਪਸੂੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਬਣੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਣਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਦਿਲ ਬਾਗ ਬਾਗ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਕਰਾਇਆ ਕਾਗਾ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਦੱਸ ਜਾਵੇ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੀ ਚੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਵਾਂ ਚ ਬਾਵਾਂ ਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੁਕਾਵਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਰੋਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਢੋਲ ਜੁਦਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖਬਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे बड़िया बनाइया दी गलबात किवें होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे भूल गई मजबूरी नू दुनिया दी दस्तूरी नू साथ तेरा है बतेरा पूरा कर जरूरी नू आन सी ओ नहीं आया अधूरी नू सारी मैं जावा मैं तेनू बुलावा गल सारी ता होवे मेरे ढोल जुदाइयां दी तेनू खबर किवें होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे ओह बड़िया बनाइयां दी गल बात किवें होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे मजबूरी नू आन जान ती पसूड़ी नू जहर बने हाँ तेरी पी जावा मैं पूरी नू रावां च बावां च ओनू लुकावां कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे ढोल जुदाइयां दी तैनू खबर किवें होवे आ जाए दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे बड़िया बनाइयां दी गल बात किवें होवे आ जाए दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे
tell a story through their gestures, expressions, and footwork. Let's focus on the outcomes and delivery of the school goals and achievements for the year.
Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Dr. Joseph Kollamparambil, CMI, Bishop of Catholic Diocese of Jagadalpur, Guest of Honor, Reverend Father Santosh Kothiril, CMI, Provincial, Nirmal Province, Jagadalpur, President, Reverend Mother Vinitha Valiyavitil, SABS, Provincial, Pavitratma Province, Jagadalpur, respected fathers, sisters, teachers, parents, and dear students. I take this opportunity to thank God Almighty for His abundant blessings and guidance. I would also like to thank our management, parents, teachers, staff, and students for their support. Little by little we go. We gain the distance we bestow. Step by step the journey is done. Endless is the work begun. Step by step we have moved forward, achieving milestones and overcoming challenges together. This report reflects the hard work, growth, and dedication of our students and staff, highlighting the progress we have made and the bright future ahead. Deepthi Convent Higher Secondary School, established in 1992 under the aegis of the Aradhana Society, has always tried to stand by its motto, love, truth, and service. Guided by these timeless values, the school has consistently worked together, fostering holistic development, nurturing both the academic and moral growth of its students, and preparing them to contribute meaningfully to the society. The reopening of the new academic section began with the vibrant school assembly where we welcomed each student with a tilak ceremony. Respected Assistant Manager Sister Vinitha, Principal Sister Tissy Maria, Vice Principal Sister Joyce planted sapling to signify a new beginning. We the leaders elected our leaders to create a leader of tomorrow who are physically, psychologically, intellectually, and ethically strong to overcome all challenges of life with the ease of every space of life. The head boy 2024-25 is Dikshan Menon and the head girl is Shreya Rai along with the different house captains. The dynamic students council members were elected followed by the investiture ceremony. Deepthi leaders on duty. The oath-taking ceremony was presided by Mr. Beliram Begelji, DEO of Bastar. The vibrant student council and impressive interact club joined hands to carry out the roles and responsibilities. The inaugural ceremony of the club was graced by Reverend Father Santosh Kothiril, the Provincial of Nirmal Province, Jagadalpur. All the various clubs, that is the Art Club, Eco Club, Science Club, Literary Club, Sports Club, presented their performance in the best way.
The Literary Club conducted the Spell Bee competition for junior group classes 6 to 8 and the senior group classes 9 to 12. The winner of the junior team was the Blue House and the winner of the senior team was the Yellow House. In order to enrich their bilingual vocabulary, inter-house English elocution competition, English and Hindi essay writing competition, as well as English and Hindi speech competitions were conducted. To showcase their creativity, innovation and talent, art and craft exhibition was organized, in which the ancient coin collection of various eras were also displayed. The chief guest of this event was Dr. Sarveshwar Rao. The Science Club also organized a science exhibition which brought various classroom concepts to life.
It is time to celebrate achievements and count our blessings. On 14th August, the Rotary Club of Jagadalpur organized a patriotic song competition where 16 renowned schools participated. Among them, Deepthi Convent students shone brightly, securing the first position and receiving certificates and a trophy for their exceptional performance. Our students also bagged the second position in inter-school folk dance competition, showcasing their talent and dedication. The school also organized an inter-school semi-classical dance competition which saw enthusiastic participation from various schools. Deepthi Convent's Hindi medium students emerged as best among the participants. The event was judged by an eminent panel comprising of Mrs. Shakul Fatima Rajput, Mr. Mahendra Bahadur and Ms. Chandra Kashyap, who carefully evaluated and appreciated the performances.
In inter-school Kho-Kho and Kabaddi competition organized by Vidya Jyoti School, our school holds a prestigious position. In the field of cricket, under 19, Angel Solanki was selected for the state level and participated in Korba. In karate, at the state level, Vivan Maravi won the gold and Sakshi Singh Chauhan won the silver medal. Samisha Singh Thakur, Vivan Maravi and Sakshi Singh Chauhan are selected for the national level in Delhi. Sanika Mishra had participated in UMAI National Amateur Muay Thai Championship 2024 under 14 held in Assam from 25th to 30th May 2024 and was awarded with the bronze medal. One of our students, Yuvraj Singh of class 11th Commerce batch, had participated in Muay Thai Boxing Championship from 12th to 19th September 2024 in Bangkok, Thailand and received gold medal for it. He also participated in CBSE for East Zone Boxing Tournament 2024 cluster match in International School Durgapur, Kolkata and made our school Deepthi Convent feel glorified by obtaining the gold medal.
दीप्ति कॉन्वेंट उच्चतर माध्यमिक विद्यालय हिंदी माध्यम के शालाएं उत्सव नेक्सस 2024 में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। अत्यंत ही विशिष्ट उद्देश्य के साथ सन 2001 में प्रारंभ किए इस विद्यालय में आर्थिक रूप से कमजोर वर्ग के बच्चे, शाला त्यागी एवं स्थानीय विद्यार्थी हमारे विद्यालय में अध्ययनरत हैं। हमारे विद्यालय में विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए प्राचार्य सिस्टर आंसी एवं समस्त शिक्षकगण प्रयासरत है, जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप हमारे विद्यालय के लिए हर्ष का विषय रहा है कि शैक्षणिक सत्र 2023-24 हमारे विद्यालय की छात्रा कुमारी कृतिका नाग ने CGBSE की कक्षा 10वीं के परीक्षा में 95.5% अंकों के साथ बस्तर संभाग में शानदार 14 स्थान प्राप्त करके विद्यालय अपने परिवार और समुदाय को गौरवान्वित किया है। साथ ही कुमारी खुशबू पाल ने CGBSE कक्षा 12वीं की परीक्षा में 83.6% अंक प्राप्त किए हैं। दोनों छात्राओं को उनकी असाधारण उपलब्धियों के लिए बधाई। सत्र 2024-25 शाला प्रवेशोत्सव बड़े धूमधाम से मनाया गया। छात्राओं को तिलक लगाकर तथा पुस्तकें वितरित कर शिक्षा के प्रति प्रोत्साहित किया गया। मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय फादर अरविंद कुजूर जी ने अपने प्रेरणादायक शब्दों से विद्यार्थियों को उत्साहित किया। विद्यालय तथा छात्रों समुचित विकास के लिए छात्र पार्लियामेंट परिषद का गठन किया गया, जिसमें शाला नायक पुष्पेंद्र बघेल एवं शाला नायिका कुमारी प्रज्ञा कौशले तथा विभिन्न समूहों के लिए छात्र नेताओं का चयन किया गया और अपनी जिम्मेदारी का वहन करने के लिए प्राचार्य द्वारा शपथ ग्रहण करवाया गया, जिसमें मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय फादर शिनोद एवं आदरणीय सिस्टर विनीता उपस्थित रहे। विद्यार्थियों के भौतिक, मानसिक तथा नैतिक विकास के स्तर को बढ़ाने के लिए विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताओं का आयोजन किया गया तथा भाषण, चित्रकला, फैंसी ड्रेस प्रतियोगिता में अपनी सहभागिता निभाई एवं इंटर स्कूल क्लासिकल डांस प्रतियोगिता में छात्रों ने प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त किया। साथ ही साथ इंटर स्कूल फुटबॉल प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया। जिसमें विद्यार्थियों ने अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन बखूबी किया है। हमारा विद्यालय दिन प्रतिदिन ऊंचाई के शिखर पर पहुँचे और हमारे विद्यार्थी देश के अच्छे नागरिक बने। हम विद्यालय के सभी विद्यार्थियों के उज्जवल कामना करते हैं। यही हमारी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है।
To understand and reframe the method of success and achievement of high percentage, we, the management, along with the teachers, gathered with the 10th and 12th standard parents, and we confirmed about their needs and requirements for their bright future. Orientation programs were conducted by Reverend Mother Vinitha, Reverend Sister Anis, Reverend Father Manish, and Reverend Sister Deepthi. Last year, by the mercy and compassion of our Lord Almighty, Kumari Kushi Jaisinghani of class 12th Commerce was able to score 95%, and Kumari Shreya Rai of class 10th scored 89% and offered the school a good name and fame. As part of educational tour, an exciting trip was planned from 11th October to 18th October for all the students. The places we explored were Uttarakhand and New Delhi. Thanksgiving is the time to embrace and remember those moments which has made us feel happy. Special thanks to all the distinguished guests, all my dear parents and all the responsible members for their dedicated support. I submit this report to the President of the Function Manager, Reverend Mother Vinitha SABS, for the approval. Thank you.